Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thank you for checking this video out. This one's a pretty crazy video. I never expected anything to work out the way that it did, but it actually worked out pretty good for me. So I actually got a deal that I couldn't pass on. I've been looking at these cars for a while now. It's a really great platform. I don't care if you're a vet guy, Chevy guy, Ford guy, whatever you are, you got to respect these cars, because right now this platform is actually really killing it right now, and cars are a ton of fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you like the new car for the channel. Tons of plans for it. It's going to be pretty crazy. It's going to be pretty cool. It's not going to be the fastest thing. I don't build cars to be the fastest thing out there. I just build them to have fun with and get some runs in here and there. And that's what I plan on doing. So there's going to be tons of videos coming with mods, you know, exhaust. I'm still trying to figure out which power adder I want to go with. Obviously, I'm leaning towards one more than the other. But obviously, you know, price and cost is going to, you know, really determine that. So I'm just going to enjoy it for a little bit. I'm going to do basic stuff for now and just have some fun. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much for sticking around and being patient while I went through this whole car thing. But anyway, let's get into today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks. All right, so here's the little backstory and how all this started. My wonderful wife, she was searching on CarMax website and found this car, and really, you know, decent price. Had a lot of the options I wanted, so we decided to take a ride up there. So I was like, whatever, you know, I wasn't optimistic about it at all. I really wasn't feeling the car, honestly, until I got there. But so then we drive there, we get there, and I'm like, damn, this thing's actually pretty cool. It actually looks pretty good. So let me take it for a test drive. So me and my boy Billy, shout out to him, always got my back, always helping me out with everything. I really appreciate it, buddy. But went up there with me, we checked the car over, and then they let us test drive it. So then this is what happened. All right, so we get back from the test drive. I'm like, all right, let's talk numbers. Let's see what we could do here. Long story short, I'm not gonna get into too much detail, but got a hell of a price, hell of a deal. Everything worked out, so I couldn't say no. So I decided to try something new, and here it is, guys. Let me know what you think.
Chris, you're gonna post these calls? Thank you.
There she is. That silver does look good. Woo. She's spinning.
It just chirped second. Or whatever the fuck that was. That was pretty cool. You ready? Actually pretty fun.
And it's got 87 gas in it too. It does. We don't even put premium in these cars.
You kidding me?
No.
Bruh.
Slow down, 40. Ready?
Oh, fuck. What did I do?
thing's surprisingly fun as shit. Just needs some friggin' power. I don't know what to do. I'd like to do a twin turbo kit on here, but dude, I priced that shit out. It's expensive as hell. But I don't know. We'll see. This is how ridiculous I am. We just got home, 11 at night. Me and my boy Billy washing it. Pitch black out. This thing is filthy, but I'll show you guys after we're done. Needs a lot of work. We gotta clay it, wax it, ceramic coat it, the whole nine. You'll see. How'd that feel? All right, guys, it's the new view. Yeah, so I got another Mustang. If you guys don't know, this would be my fourth Mustang. Yeah, this would be my fourth Mustang. So I started out with Mustangs, always loved Mustangs, always will love Mustangs, just like I always love Corvettes. And I definitely plan on getting another one in the future, don't get me wrong, 100%. But this would be my fourth Mustang, and it is definitely the nicest one. This is the newest car I've ever owned. I never had anything older or newer than a 2008, and that's my daily, which is not even worth talking about, but it gets me to work every day and to where I got to go, so I can't complain. And but yeah, this is it. So it's a 2018 GT Mustang, automatic 10-speed. Automatics are gay. Listen, I know I love manual cars, but you just can't beat these new automatics. They are a lot of fun, and coming from nothing but stick cars, I'm a believer. This thing's fun, and I cannot wait to add more power to this thing and like let it rip. I mean, the way this thing shifts is unbelievable for a regular torque converter auto. It's crazy, and I can't wait to put a tune on it. It's going to shift even better. It's going to feel even better, and it's going to be awesome. So anyway, it's a 2018 Mustang GT Premium A10. It's got all of this stuff on here, track apps. It's got the active exhaust, heated and cooled seats. I've never had that in my life. All these buttons, I've never had anything like this. This is crazy. But yeah, it's got the weird dash. I'm not a big fan of the dashboard. It's nice and everything, but it's not what I wanted. That's the seat. Yeah, I swear, I promise. That's the leather rubbing right here. Sorry about that. All right, here we go. Anyway, yeah, it's got the dash. It's cool. I can change all the colors and all that stuff, and it's got all the different drive modes. See if you can see that. Drive mode, normal, sport plus, track. Yeah. Yep. Track, drag strip, and then snow wet, which I'll never use. But yeah, it's got a lot of cool technology in here. Ambient lighting down there on the feet and everything. It's pretty cool. I really enjoy driving this thing around, and so far I'm having a blast with it. But major modifications that I'm going to do soon are I have to do the digital dash. If you guys have ever seen the 401A package with the digital dash on these cars, it's amazing. The dashboard is just crazy. So I'm definitely going to do that. I'm hoping I can get in touch with Hellhorse Performance, because they sell the whole kit for these cars, and it'll really bring the interior to life. Eventually I'll do a carbon steering wheel like I had in the Vet, and some cool things like that. But other than that, I ain't really doing too much in here. I want to get set up with an N gauge. I'll probably put the N gauge right here, which is what they use to tune these things. So I'm still undecided on who to go with tuning wise. I don't know if I should go with Palm Beach Dyno or Lund Racing. So I'm still doing my research. They both seem like great shops, great tuning people. So I don't think I can really go wrong, but that's pretty much it. Quick, before I forget, I had to throw this in the video. I know what you guys are thinking. How am I going to have a channel named Boosted Vet with an NA Mustang? Trust me, I didn't really think about it. I didn't think the channel was ever going to get, 100 subscribers. So I didn't even think that far. But anyway, I'm going to need your guys' help. Help me think of a cool name for the channel. No. If you could think of something cool for the channel name, help me out. Hope you guys stick around. Like I said, I hope we're all car guys here and can respect other brands. I'm not one of them brand loyal weirdos that only likes Chevy, only likes Ford. I like everything. I don't care. V8, V6, straight six, you name it. I like it. If it's fast, well built, and done right, I'm going to enjoy it and I'm going to like it. So comment down below and let me know a name for the channel that you guys would like. Maybe I'll like it and I'll change the channel name. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep Boosted Vet just to piss people off. I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know. But yeah, like I said, I really like it. I'm really enjoying it, guys. So I hope you guys will too. But make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Stay tuned for more content with this thing because I got a lot of stuff planned. And fingers crossed everything works out. But tag your favorite companies down below that you'd like to see me work with, like Palm Beach Dyno, Lund Racing, Hell Horse Performance, Corsa, Borla, whatever. Let me know what you guys want to see done to this car, which direction you think I should go towards, and we can go from there. But thank you so much, guys, for watching, and take it easy on me in the comments because I know how a lot of people feel about Mustangs, but I'm telling you, these cars are game changers, and it's amazing with what technology has come to with these things and what comes standard in a Mustang now. I mean, at the end of the day, this thing is still a Mustang. It's pretty heavy. It's, right now it's slow, but I'm going to put, my little touch on it and make it what I want it to be. So I hope you guys are ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks a lot.